legacy of a quiet hero. In the heart of Texas, where fields whisper low, a boy named Roy Lee began to grow. From Copeville's embrace, his dreams took flight underneath the vast, star-studded night. With pages of wisdom, he carved his way, valedictorian dreams in the light of day. Wesley College's crown upon his brow, a beacon of hope, he answered the vow. I'm so glad to welcome everyone to Walker Elementary. You all know that this is a special place, right? You made it that way. We're here tonight to celebrate the 25 years of excellence that is Walker Elementary. Make no mistake, the people in this room are the best of the best. You are the best of the best.
Walker Elementary, I was only here 4 years, but it's absolutely the best 4 years of my career. What an opportunity to start a building from the ground, it was literally from the ground up. But what you get to do, you get to pick the mascot and the colors, and then hiring an entire staff. That was a challenge in itself, but so much fun. And then comes the time to establish the culture, which is absolutely all about kids and learning. That was the most important thing to me, was what we did to establish the culture.
Linda, used to be Linda Walker, Rinn, and I'm very excited to be here again. It's hard to believe that it was 25 years ago I was here when we were celebrating the opening of Walker Elementary.
It is time from